hope all is well. Today, I'm so excited because I purchased some boots. Yes, I know spring's coming, but this matches my special edition Dionysus bag. Oh my God. And I want to share it with you. I got it pre-loved. I think it was never used. So here she is. I know, it's really big, but you gotta check these out. These are also special edition Gucci, I think that's the horse bit python snake boots. Let's get started and open this beautiful bag. And open this beautiful pair of boots. Okay, I'm just gonna not gonna change the camera around because it's too crazy. These are big boots. Here we go. Has a lot of these all over the place. Oh my God. Let's just put that big box down. And the box is pretty much in okay condition. I mean, there's some dings, but I don't care. I do, for authentic items, keep my boxes, if they come with boxes. And you can see it has the paper tissue. And here they are. Oh my God. I gotta see these. Someone's crying. Let us continue looking at these gorgeous boots. Now, it is I think it's a 6-inch heel, and I can walk in 6-inch heels. But yeah, that is a horse bit decor. And see, it does say Gucci on the little tab. And she is very smooth. I like this little thing here. I think it's really cool. And it hasn't been used. I'm probably gonna put something to protect this, so that is one pair of boot. This is size 37. These boots are fire! I mean, I've seen snake boots and snake shoes, but this is like, what? This is really, really unique. And I have to say, I'm so loving this thing. Code inside. And inside is really like smooth leather. Out here you can tell it is python skin. And it does say Gucci there. Size 37. We're just gonna try these on. It only included one huge dust bag. Just one big pouch. Made in Italy. I am wearing some regular skinny jeans with these boots, but wow, they are comfy. It is like, I am tippy-toeing a lot more than my normal heels, but it is so comfy still. I don't know if I could do long walks with this, but they are really comfortable. And with this bag, what? I am not wearing a good outfit, but it's just plain me in these matchy moments. Oh, wow. I can't wait to wear these two out. I have to figure out a cute outfit for these two. But as you can see, it is a little bluer than the actual boot. Yes, it is a little bluer, but I can wear them together, and I do plan to. I think with the right outfit, this would look really pretty together. So, although I did buy them for them to perfectly match, they do not. I wouldn't think it would match, but it's okay. Although I'm a little sad about that, it don't matter. I still think I could get away with wearing both of them together. They're so gorgeous. Wow. Talk about beautiful. It is so gorgeous. I love these boots. And I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day. Bye.